Okay, we have Abra in the bathroom in the blind. We're going to do her virtual scent work experience today. Stay back. Here's her 2 toys. Back up. And her treat. She wants to go for the treat first. She loves it. Okay, Abra, stay there. I'll be back. This is one of her favorite games. Okay, so we're going to use this room. We're going to hide her football. Let's see. It's got to be 2 to 3 feet off the ground, so there you go. That's pretty high up. It's probably 2.5 feet right there. And then we're going to hide her squeaky toy. And it's got to be 2 to 3 feet off the ground too, so stick it in there. Okay, and then we have her treat, which is freeze-dried liver that I make her. And we're going to hide this on the front porch. Up here. And let's see. Again, it's got to be 2 to 3 feet off the ground. It's hide right there. It blends right in. You can't even see it. Okay. Okay, get out of the way, kitty. All right. Let's go get Abra. She's right down there. All right. Come on, Abra. Let's go play Find It. Come on. Come on. Come on, Abra. Come on. What's wrong? You tired? Come on. Come on. There you go. Let's go in here first. Okay, find it. Find your toy. Find it. Oh, well. That was fast. Okay. Let me see. What do you got? Did you get your ball? Oh, yes, you did. Good job. Good job. Okay. Yes, I see it. Let's go find your squeaky toy. Huh? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, Abra. I'm going to go to this room over here. Come on, in here. Find your squeaky. Find your other toy. Find it. Find your toy. Find it. Good job. Did you find it? All right. Yes. You love that one. Okay, come on. Let's go on the front porch. Come on. Come on. Let's go on the front porch. Find your treat. Come on. Come on, Abra. Let's go find your treat. She just wanted to stay here and play. Okay. Come on. There you go. I see you. I see you. Yes, you love this one. Yes. Okay. Okay. There you go. Yes. Okay. You want to play? Okay. Let's find your treat. Give it to me. Go find your treat. Go find it. Find your treat. No, not this one. Go find your treat. Go find it. Go find your treat, Abra. You gotta stay on the porch. No, on the porch. Go find your treat. Find it. There you go. Good girl. There you go. Good job, Abra.